Hello, lovelies. Let's start crafting and make it till our eyes smile. That's what I like to say. We're going to begin by using one of these cute little ceramic soldiers. You can find these a lot at the 99-cent store. Dollar Tree carries them, Hobby Lobby, and they come with these cute little paint kits that you can use on here and paint them whatever color you like, or you can paint them all white, but I'm going to do mine with some gold. Once it was completely painted, I set it aside and let it dry. And then I got this Treasure Gold by Volkart, and I'm going to go over them with this. And all I do is a dabbing motion because I wanted you to be able to see the first layer of gold behind it. And it gives it a very high-end look, I'm telling you. Absolutely gorgeous. There's one with on to the right and the one without on the left. Both gorgeous, but I decided to use it on both. So I decided to use this beautiful sticky ribbon from Dollar Tree, and I just cut a little bit and cut them right down the middle, and it was perfect for around the band of his hat and his belt. You just peel it off in the back. I love this stuff. I put a little bit of dab of glue, a dot of glue right there in the center. I stuck it on there and put another dab of glue, and it stayed fine. I love this stuff. Makes it so much easier. And I'm going to do the same thing to the belt. I was thinking of putting them on the rim of the boots, but I decided not to. I think it would have looked just as cute with or without. I'm wondering, would you guys put ribbon on the boots or no? I'm debating. Yay or nay? Leave me a comment. I really want to know. Now I decided to get 2 pieces of evergreen from a Christmas wreath, and I'm just going to cut the tips off. I do know Dollar Tree carries greenery for Christmas, perfect for something like this, and some little berries, and I'm just going to glue it right there on top to the side of my little soldier's hat. Isn't he cute already? Oh, I'm just loving him. These are so great to put on a shelf or on a tier tray, perfect size. And just what a beautiful high-end look. I got some of that chalk paint, and I'm just going to dab it right there on the top part of the berries and some on the greenery to look like some snow. And I felt that was a perfect touch. I am so sorry. I apologize. I lost my final picture, but I had to share this DIY with you. I was so happy with it. Okay, my crafty lovelies, this video is part of Christmas in July DIY extravaganza. Joining me today is my lovely friend Catherine, a perfect place to start, and Chantel, Love and Life's Journey DIY. You can find all the links to the playlists and to their channels in my description box. Please let them know Miss Crafty Leanie sent you. Thank you, my crafty lovelies. Have fun. Okay, for this DIY, I'm going to be using this tray with snowflakes that I got from BB Craft. And I love it. It comes with different snowflake shapes. It comes with the strings to hang them if you want to paint them for ornaments. For packages. But I've seen this tray and I thought, I think it'll look cute for a nice winter Christmas tic-tac-toe game for the family. Also makes a great gift. I don't know, there's just so many things you could do with these snowflakes in this tray, right? Okay, we're going to begin by using 10 snowflakes, 2 of each, and we're going to divide them in half. I'm going to take one side and I'm going to paint with a metallic copper color. I will leave the colors that I use in my description box for you. I painted front and back, one of the set of 5, and the other set of 5 I painted with gold. After they were fully dry, I got some of these BB Craft. They're beautiful ceramic crystal beads. Gorgeous, stunning. They shine and sparkle so beautifully. I glue them in the center of a set of 5 of the snowflakes. Please use E6000 or some Gorilla Glue just to have a stronger bond. I just added hot glue, but you can add both hot glue and Gorilla Glue or E6000, like I said, to have a longer lasting bond. On the other set, I just added some Dollar Tree pearls to the center. Oh my goodness, this is turning out so beautiful. Yay! So now that our game pieces are done, our snowflakes, we're going to work on our tic-tac-toe tray. And I'm going to add little feetsies to the bottom. So these little dowel caps I get at Walmart, but you can find them at Walmart, Hobby Lobby. You can find them at most craft stores carry these. And I'm going to use some Dollar Tree wood glue along with some hot glue. The hot glue helps it stay quick and it's a fast bond while that wood glue is drying. I do this process on all 4 corners. Once my feet were put on, I decided to paint my whole tray with the white chalk paint. After everything was dry, I did go over everything with some Mod Podge just to make sure everything was sealed. And oh my goodness, does this not look gorgeous? Very elegant, so shabby chic. Beautiful for a winter Christmas tic-tac-toe game. Now for this next DIY, we're going to be using some Walmart wood beads along with some BB Craft wood beads. I will leave the links for the BB Craft beads in my description box for you. Using a pipe cleaner from the Dollar Tree, I'm going to add one of those large green wood beads for the center. And on each side, I'm going to add 2 little red beads. To make things easier, I suggest separating your beads in different little bowls, just so it makes the process quicker making your ornaments. So now to add the wood brown beads, you can paint these, but I decided to use the natural color of the wood beads. Next to the red bead, I added a small brown, and then I added a medium, and then again the small. And I kept following along this process on both sides. To finish the ornament, I just got the 2 sides of the pipe cleaner and twisted each of the sides together. And then trim. And then I folded the excess around the top. You will not see that little top part of the pipe cleaner there because we will add a cute little ribbon. Now these came from the Dollar Tree. They have already a little wire to them and you get quite a bit in one pack. So one pack goes a long way. And I just twisted right there where that pipe cleaner connects. I just twisted that ribbon right there in front. Isn't that cute? They have green and red, and I made both. Aren't they cute? You can use them as napkin rings or little tree ornaments. Now we're going to begin with another pipe cleaner from the Dollar Tree. And this cute little I don't know, it's a beautiful leaf pendant that I got from BB Craft. And all you do is put the pipe cleaner in right there through the little ring, and I'm going to twist it tightly. As I twist it tightly, I leave the excess right there. See how I pinched it? I hope I'm making sense to you. And I'm going to add this little small wood natural bead and push it tightly down where we twisted that pipe cleaner. And it closes that end up really nice. I'm going to add one of these little silver beads. You can find these at Hobby Lobby, Walmart, Dollar Tree carries cute silver beads. Most craft stores do. And then I add a medium size wood bead. Now I'm going to add a large. The silver. And I do end up adding a beautiful pearl bead. And I got those pearl beads from Dollar Tree also. I thought this ornament would make a gorgeous natural tree ornament. I don't know, I was feeling the vibes of the natural woods with the leaves and the wood being brown. You can paint them, but I wanted that, like I said, natural. So there you have it, the leaf, the wood, then I put another silver, the wood, the large wood, medium, and I closed it off with a pearl. And then I just add it right there. I fold it over, put the excess right through the top bead, and it goes in really easy. Push down, and then I'm going to twist. And that is perfect for a hook, or you could put it on your tree if you make the loop a little bit bigger. These are great also for gift tags. If you want to put them on a gift bag or a gift, they look so pretty hanging. And I added one of those cute little Dollar Tree ribbons to the top. I love these little ribbons because they're really easy to add on. I didn't even have to glue it, but you can if you like. But all I did was use the ties that came on the ribbon and wrapped it right there tightly on the top. They stay on really well. I don't think they're going to fall off or go anywhere. I made different ones, and I used red ribbons and green ribbons. And I love these BB Craft little leaves, charms. I mean, they're a great size. And I like that they have some silver, and then they have some it's kind of like a brassy gold. You can make many ornaments out of these with different leaves. And what's great is it comes with its own little case. So when you're done using them, whatever you have left, you can leave them in the case and use them for something else. Okay, one more ornament. This time I'm going to put on the bottom one of these beautiful crystal teardrops that I got from Hobby Lobby. I just put the Chanel pipe cleaner from Dollar Tree right through the little hole of that bead. And I'm just going to twist it very tightly to close that end off. So now I'm going to get a small bead, and I push it down there very firmly. And that kind of holds that twisted pipe cleaner that we did. It's going to hold it real firm so it won't unravel. So I added a small pearl, and then a small wood bead, a medium bead, a pearl medium, and a large wood bead. another pearl bead, and I just keep doing the process so it's even on the bottom to the top. This one here is so beautiful and elegant. Not only you can use it for an ornament, but you can also use it hanging on a gift or on a keychain. I don't know, this one to me is just so beautiful. It could be used for many things. I don't know, I see it on a ribbon, a bow, hanging from a gift bag. Beautiful. But I'm gonna add another one of these little red ribbons from the Dollar Tree right there on the bottom to finish this one off. So pretty. They're so quick and easy. If you don't want to use wood beads, Walmart, Hobby Lobby, many craft stores hold a different assortment of beads that are great to use for these kind of projects. Now I just trim off the wire from the ribbon just to shorten it up, and then I pinch it tightly down there so you don't see it. Oh, this one is so pretty. They're great to hang, or like I said, on a gift bag or on a gift. It's great for keepsake to whoever you're giving your gift to. They can use it every year as a Christmas ornament. I made different ones, and look at how cute they all are. Oh, I just absolutely love them. And the little round ones you can use for, like I said, napkin rings, or you can use them as an ornament. So cute. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video today, what I made for you. Please give this video a thumbs up. It helps my channel grow. I so appreciate it from the bottom of my heart, your kindness. And if this is your first time visiting me here today, welcome. I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you have not done so already. I really love for you to be part of my Krafty Leanie World family. And if you're returning, thank you, lovelies. I love you so much. Mwah. Hugs and kisses and fairy dust wishes. Be kind to yourself and others. Stay blessed. I'll see you in my next video.